Hello guys, today I am going to tell you 7 useful websites every front-end developer should know about it. First website is codewash.com. Codewash.com is a website that offers users to opportunity to learn coding skills from the scratch. It contains variety of programming challenges that are suited for beginners. Okay, and the second website is devchallenges.io. Devchallenges.io is the website that offers coding challenges and projects for the developer to improve their skills, build their portfolios, and connect with the other developer. And our third website is Modern JavaScript. Modern JavaScript is a website that provide information about JavaScript, including tutorials, exercise, and reference. These are the topics of JavaScript. And the fourth one is what a css streak. This website is also has a plenty of tutorial on different topics such as responsive design, user interface, this types of user interface, and also cross browser compatibility. And next one is our fifth website is what css battle. It is an online game where it is a website where we can play online games where players compete to create the closest visual match to given design using HTML and CSS. With the help of this website, we can create games using HTML and CSS. And the next one is sixth website is shortcut.design. Shortcut.design. With the help of this exercise, we can use coding shortcuts for time saving. Find useful ones for popular tools on this website for designers and developers. And the seventh website is Can I Use? Can I Use is the website. It is useful resources for checking the browser support for the different HTML and CSS and JavaScript features. So these are the 7 websites every front-end developer should know. Thank you.